guys, I am very excited today because you're going to be making one of my favorite fall or winter soups, and that's the drum rolls instant pot potato and leek soup. We want to start by cleaning the leeks. These are very notorious for hiding dirt. Let me show you. Let's just head over to the sink and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm just cutting off the end bits here. And I'm only going to be using the white middle part. You can keep the greens and just braise them. They taste amazing cooked in some garlic or bacon. That's what we're going to do. Next, I'm just going to cut it lengthwise in preparation for cleaning. There's normally lots of mud hidden in between the leaves. So let's have a look. Let's have a look. And ta-da! So you want to clean properly in between each layer. I like just using my sink and tap. That works best. These are now clean, so I'm just going to slice them. Peel and roughly chop the potatoes. Program the Instant Pot to saute for 8 minutes and fry the bacon. Once brown, set the bacon aside on a plate. You can add 2 to 3 minutes on the saute function if the time is up. Next, stir in the leeks and we're going to nicely sweat them. This actually looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead and add in the potatoes. One quick stir and then we'll add the broth. What I love about this recipe very much is that it happens to be dairy free. So I'm just adding in the broth now. When using broth, check whether yours has sodium or not. And if it does have it, then go a little bit slow on the salt at first. You can always add some more later. Next goes in the oregano and 2 pinches of salt to start with. One quick mix and then it's ready to pressure cook. Next, close the lid and make sure to set it to seal. We are going to cook this at high for 5 minutes and then naturally pressure release for 15 minutes. We like our soup chunky, so I did set aside about a third of the soup before adding in the cream. That's the fun part, the blending. So I'm done with the blending, so I'm just adding the previously reserved potatoes and leek. I've checked for salt and I need more, so I'm going to add about a teaspoon. Next goes in the nutmeg. One final taste, and then I'm just going to allow it to cook for 2 to 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve. Garnish with the bacon pieces and sliced leek and enjoy.